We just installed this Oxygenic Evolution shower head in our guest shower and we are kind of obsessed. My favorite thing about it is how versatile its settings are. This is its regular setting, a little bit higher water pressure. The waterfall setting is our favorite, and then it has this really cool oscillating setting, which is great for getting shampoo out. And then it also has this jet setting, which just feels really good. It adjusts with this simple nozzle right here on the neck. Install was incredibly simple. It looks nice, elegant, and really sophisticated, almost like it's a space-age shower head. We absolutely love it. If you're looking for a shower head to upgrade your shower, we highly recommend this one.